Race number 13 just started here at the SLLP. Moving up on the outside now is enter number 7, and this one is Big Time Bonjing to take the lead. Kapit Bahay down on the inside. Doña Marucha, Express Strike, Green Money comes next. Then followed over by Gentleman's Lady, Detective Darrell, Cast Away. And going along for the first turn with Big Time Bonjing, Doña Marucha is right behind in second. Then followed over by Kapit Bahay, Green Money comes next. Express Strike, Detective Darrell. Next on line is Gentleman's Lady, Sandok. Then followed over by Cast Away. Moving up now is entry number 1, and this one is Joaquin Yun. And on the outside, Binget Mucho Macho. Next on line now is Prospector Scott, while Heart of Dominic is racing in 14th. And at the far turn, we have entry number 7, Big Time Bonjing, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Doña Marucha in second. Moving up on the outside now is Kapit Bahay. We have Big Time Bonjing, Kapit Bahay moving upon the outside to take the lead as they swing for home. Big Time Bonjing, Kapit Bahay, Doña Marucha is done in third. We have Kapit Bahay, Big Time Bonjing in second, and on the outside comes Detective Darrell with about 100 meters of the race. We have Kapit Bahay, Detective Darrell, Binget is on the outside, and finally it's Kapit Bahay, Detective Darrell, Binget.
7 pala yung kwarto. Big Time Bonjing. Clear natin, 13, 11, 12, 7. Pero yung panlimat pang-anim, magulo.
Kasi yung guhit ng 7